24, for the data set below, find the 15th percentile. So in order to find any particular percentile, the first thing we have to do is arrange all of these values numerically, starting with the smallest all the way up to the largest. So let's do that. Smallest one is 7. Hopefully I have enough space here. Anything in the teens? Yes, we have 17. 17. Then we have 24, 25, 24, 25. In the 30s, 32, 33, 36, 32, 33, 36. In the 40s, I think just 46. In the 50s, we have a bunch in the 50s, it looks like. 51, 54, 58, 59. We have 260s. We have a 64, 267s. Okay, we have 70, 74, 95. I hope I got all 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I did good. Okay, so that's our first step. Arrange all of our values in order. So maybe I should write this out. Arrange values in numerical order. So now next we have to use a formula. That formula is C equals NP over 100. In this formula, N equals the total number of values. And P equals the percentile that we want. Okay. So then we have to do a bit of analysis. There's two cases here. So, well, let's calculate this first and see which case we fall into, and then I'll explain the other case. C equals NP over 100. So N, the total number of values, we have 20 of them. We want the 15th percentile over 100. So C is 300 over 100. C equals 3. Now there's two cases here. So the first case, we'll say the first case is where C is a whole number, which is what we have here. The other case is a C is not a whole number. Those are my two cases. The first is where C is a whole number. The second is where C is not a whole number. So if C is a whole number, you're going to be using the 15th percentile, the value that you're looking for. Halfway between C and C plus first values. What do I mean by that? Here's what I mean by that. So in our case, C is a whole number. C is 3, right? So 1, 2, 3. Here's the third value. But the 15th percentile is halfway between the third value and the next one up, the fourth value. Right? So if C is a whole number, like in this case here, our percentile is halfway between the third value and the fourth value. So that means the 15th percentile is 24.5. Halfway between 24 and 25. 24.5. You can add them, divide by 2. Okay? That's the answer to the question there. Now, if C was not a whole number, like if C was 3.2 or something, like whatever it is, if C, as long as C is not a whole number, the value that we're looking for, right? The value that we're looking for is I just want to say this properly. So the value is C rounded up to the next whole number. So if C was 3.2, our percentile would be the fourth value. If C was 7.5, we round up to 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our eighth value is the percentile we're looking for. So if C is not a whole number, just round up to the next position and count up to that. If C is a whole number, the value is halfway between that Cth position and the next one up, the C plus first position. And that's how you find the percentile.